Now go into the Tools menu. The Tools and Equipment tab is where you can access and store most of your information within the system. You'll see here that any type of equipment is allowed to be stored within Bosch Bluehound. Everything from tools to harnesses to fire extinguishers, anything you might need within your company. You'll also be able to sort this equipment by many different categories in order to access it quickly. The search is very dynamic, where you can search by any type of job or location and quickly get the equipment and tools that you need. In addition, you'll be able to assign this equipment to various locations. So you can have access to where that equipment has gone as well as the history as to where it belongs. So you can assign entities of equipment to multiple locations at any given time, whether that be person, warehouse, job site, or job box. You'll see all the equipment information, whether it be warranty period, as well as any inventory numbers that you have uniquely signed within your company. You'll also see the events and be able to access these events from the equipment menu in order to mark events done and add new events, whether that be maintenance checks, visual inspections, or other types of activities that you would want to assign to this equipment. In addition, all attachments are allowed. These are PDF documents or any type of document that you might need in order to correlate to that tool. These could be repair manuals, operation manuals, compliance certificates, or any other type of information that is required for that equipment. This allows you to have full access and visibility to your equipment from anywhere in the field as well as back at the warehouse.